Oh God, 4 a.m. 4 a.m. wake up to go golf. It's a good thing we got Monster to sponsor us. Thank you, Monster, for that recent big deal we got. Oh, actually, we also got Rockstar to sponsor us. So I'm gonna go with them today. They give us a little bit more money, so here we go. Wes and I got up crazy early. Look at him. Zombie. Straight zombie day. Golfing today. We shot 100, but we built a nice little relationship with the lender. Oh, good news. At breakfast, guess what he said? You ready? This is actually serious news. He loves the Arkansas idea. We talked all about the sales tax and everything. He's gonna still commit to blending from Arkansas. We just agree to be fair about the buyback value. So whatever it is, it's like, it's fair. Like we can say, hey, here's what we'll buy it back for, and buy it back for this rate. So everything sits in DocuSign and set up. He'll do the exact same deals. He'll trust us to, obviously, he'll start looking at the default rate. If our default rate starts going up, that means, you know, we're not being fair with the people we're trusting and stuff, because he's just going based on us. But that's really good.
We're going to be more defaults in Arkansas.
The big boy. I'm going to die of this, and then they're going to say I died of COVID. So you heard it here first, not COVID. How you doing?
Well, yourself?
How was the links?
It was good. No, we did this. I was right here. Yeah. Actually hit a ball. Probably hit a car, to be honest. One of our cars. I'm surprised we don't get hit one.
Oh. So a little bit of a before. Not too shabby actually. A little bit of stuff right here. We got a steamer. We can go through and get every single crack in this entire thing ready to go. Pro tip. If your floor mat's dirty, look how nice this is. It looks like a nice little like weather tag, spill proof material. It's actually just the same thing flipped over. Look how dirty that is. Flip over your floor mats. Got a nice little rubber thing down there. Nobody really pays any attention to it. Look how clean it looks. Well, we're gonna have to make it work. Alright, we're going to the car wash. No license plate on. We're gonna play a little bit of cop roulette and see if we can get pulled over or not. And what kind of story we can come up with. Luckily, I don't think anybody's getting pulled over because Mike's got a bad cough. And he'll just start coughing like crazy. Yeah, see? And then I think we'll get out of whatever we need to get out of. Oh, Loomis. Dude. Oh, he's gonna come back by later. We got like a lot of cash for him to pick up. Just kidding. Please don't rob us.
Hi, welcome to Cook Pack.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing good. Let me check you in real quick.
Okay, no problem. I swear to God, I forgot my wallet.
Your license plate's not in the back.
I'm this dealership right here.
Oh,
I
okay.
totally forgot my wallet too and everything. But I'm gonna come back in like 10 minutes. Can I just pay for 2? Is that possible?
Like right now?
No, like I forgot my wallet right now.
Okay.
But when I come back, I'm bringing another one. So can I pay for both of them when I come back?
Yeah, I think that's alright. Let me just ask real quick.
Okay, no problem. If it's Mikey, tell Mikey it's Caleb. Okay, yeah, perfect. Except this time, just like look at me and come down like just, yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there, right there. Perfect, beautiful. Oh my God, they're gonna love you. All right, the cinema's shut down actually. time, but if we're not careful, it's gonna be us next. Nah, I'm just kidding. We're doing pretty good. 2 hours later, we got that thing fully detailed, photos up, ready. Now we only gotta do that 10 more times, so let's do it, Mike. We had a meeting with our lender, Red Mountain Funding, and we went golf. They took us golfing actually. Weston kind of was a zombie for the whole thing, but you want me to say that or no? And we talked to them about the Arkansas location that's coming up next month, and they're actually going to be the lenders for that location too. Until we get some more established stuff out there, they like what we're doing, so we're going to expand out there and get everything lended and lend it. That's a word, I guess. Lend it out, and we'll be good to go. Huh, Wes?
Yeah, but you're saying we bought it already, basically.
We bought it already, basically. Damn, look at her. Stunning. Stunning. Bad photo, but hey, stunning. 204,000 miles of beauty. Just like that. She's ready to go. Alright, today's been kind of a slow day. Luckily, we've been able to bid on some cars and get some cars. By the way, Sam, there's a $1,600 Impala going through in Surprise. Probably gonna pick that up. We got to detail some cars. Today, on these slow days, we get to drink energy drinks and get everything prepped because pretty much in our industry, everything is bought on the weekend. So throughout the week, we're like prepping, doing all the work to set up for the weekend. So this weekend we can sell, how many, Sam? 5 or 6?
6. Yes, sir.
6 this weekend. We have definitely 6 that we're pretty much prepping to be sold. So today is just kind of a prep day, and we're gonna get a couple more. Anyways, thank you for sticking through. You guys get to see the real us and what we do on a weekly basis. Weston is doing some hard work right now, taking a nap and re-energizing. And anyway, thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you in the next one.